Hi, my name is Sasha Hutchings. I am a Broadway performer and original cast member of Hamilton and soon to be seen in the upcoming Hamilton film. Arts education is incredibly important to me. I have not been working since we shut down in March. I am deemed non-essential, but I can tell you that an arts education goes way beyond anything I do or anyone does on a Broadway stage. Our children, our students, they are categorized and sometimes put into boxes of race and faith or socioeconomic status before they even know what any of that stuff means. And then they are striving every day to achieve standards of testing and academic performance that were created within systems that may have been built very well at odds with their existence. But a music class, a theater class, a dance rehearsal is a place where creativity reigns instead of systems. Where particularly as a person of color, imagination is an act of resistance, and collaboration teaches us the power of the collective. I mean, the arts are where we learn to break the rules and abandon structures that no longer serve us to achieve a higher good. Shows like Hamilton have been breaking the rules of race and ethnicity in ways that we still can't do in our daily lives. And in this moment of civil unrest that we haven't seen in decades, and with a generation of students witnessing this and stepping into the world, they deserve an education in imagination. And they have a right to creativity and a need for space to imagine a more equitable future. Broadway is not essential, but theater, arts, writing, music, dance, imagination, creativity, ingenuity, community, essential.